Hello everyone and welcome to one more video. In this video, what I'm going to do is to take you through the latest processing time which has been announced by Aaip just yesterday. So the last update that we saw on the Aaip website for the processing times, inventory and other details was 12th of February. So after almost 20 days, Aaip has posted its updates, and the numbers that you will see there are quite interesting. I just went through the number before coming online, so I'm sure you guys will have something interesting to look at. So let's go into the details. So this is the landing page for the processing processing times and inventory. This was updated on 4th of March, which is just yesterday, but I think it was posted on website earlier today. Today is 5th of March and I'm recording at around 2 p.m. Mountain Time. So one important update on this is that the 2024 allocations has not yet been confirmed. I know we are almost in March, 3 months of 2024. Third month of 2024, and the allocations had not yet been confirmed, but Aaip has been processing its inventory, which, and why I say that I'll just come in a bit. So it still has been processing applications from last year. So it's quite possible that once they are done with those applications, they will update the new numbers or as soon as possible. Let's not speculate when will the numbers be available, but it will be provided. Additional information will be provided as and when available. So this is what has been declared. The first table is the inventory numbers from 2023. So this number is still a bit dated. No point in looking at and analyzing this data, but let's analyze the important data. And I'm sure let's look at the numbers for uh, numbers of different streams which has been updated. So Alberta opportunity stream is still at 18 of September. There has been no change in the processing date. So they are still processing from 18th of September of last year. Dedicated healthcare pathway, it was already in February of 2024. It has improved. It has seen a slight improvement of 11 days. Priority sector has the same processing time of 4 months, and they are still processing applications from December of 2023. Accelerated tech pathway, there is a slight improvement in the numbers. The processing, the date has moved 3 days. The big jump that you will see here is in the rural renewal stream, which has improved by almost a month. The rural renewal stream numbers have changed by a month, and they are in October of 2023. So even though both AOS and rural renewal stream have 6 months of processing time, rural renewal is a bit ahead, like 15 days ahead of the curve. Apart from that, most of the streams are still in 2024. So that is what I meant earlier, is that when we see these numbers moving closer to end of December, probably in next few days, once we start seeing these numbers change, probably at that point of time Aaip will be more comfortable in announcing the numbers for 2024, the data for 2024. I'm sure they have started accepting applications for 2024. But the big news that we will see here is the tourism and hospitality. So this was the brand new stream that was launched just earlier this week on 1st of March. So on 1st of March, they already have almost 400 applications, and the processing time is less than a month, guys. Like it says, it has a processing time of a month. So even though people have applied on 1st of March, AIP is expecting that the processing time will take 1 month or less. It could have said or more. So this very clearly kind of indicates that it's kind of fast tracking these applications. And again, these dates are only for PNP. Okay, only for PNP processing. This is not for PR processing. PR processing would be the next step for next step to this. Okay, so March 1 is tourism and hospitality stream, and they are already kind of anticipating it to be less than a month. So by that, I think by end of this month, we can expect the second intake to start, or maybe sometime early April, because if they are able to process 400 applications in a month, and I think that they had allocation of 600 kind of allocations, 680 670 odd allocations for the year, they would be done in a month or so, right? And then they will have better idea on the demand and on the numbers. So probably at that point of time they will kind of introduce the next intake, right? Okay. So this is very interesting. This is this detail I found interesting, and I thought of sharing with you. And apart from that, I think most of the data is pretty much standard. They did I think this was the draw that happened on 20th of February, which was done for dedicated healthcare pathway. And it was for 311. I think I covered this in one of my videos, which showed that dedicated healthcare pathway has received a lot of traction in the in this year, in past couple of months, and this could be another important or a popular gateway for 2024. So I have a video for that on this, so you may want to check that out. Okay, so that's it. I think, I guess, yeah, that's it. This is what I wanted to share, and I hope this gives us a hope that the second intake for the hospitality stream would start soon, right? So let's keep that hope up. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I have prepared few other videos on the tech pathway, oh sorry, on the tourism and hospitality pathway, so you may want to check that out. If you have any questions, uh, reach out to me on the comments, and I will try my best to till then, thank you so much and have a nice day.